My father, when he came here, he was quite deaf. And he was one of these children that was maimed deliberately by people they call the fixers. They would maim the child sufficiently so that he could go on with life, but just enough so that they would not be eligible for conscription. Because at one point, I think before my father's time, if you was conscripted into the army, you would serve for like 30 years. In my father's day, I think it was only 4 years, but they remembered the previous Tsar's edict, so they didn't want their children to go. And then once they went, they were lost to their religion. They just, sometimes they would provide kosher food occasionally, but mostly it was treif. Then they lost their ability to speak their language, and I understand Jewish people who served just were no longer the same anymore. So you wanted to avoid it. And of course the children often died. Then they had what they call the hoppers. People would just pull children off the street, and sometimes children as young as 10. So then they would take you away, but your official service wouldn't begin until you were 18. So they wouldn't count those years before. So it was quite a tragedy.